I realized I didn't do any scan yesterday, so I have to do the scan now. Oops. Whatever. Everything is very correlated anyways. I was hoping for a gap down today, but nope, not getting it. I really want to see some panic. Some panic selling. Yeah, it's a classic bear market. We are in a downtrend. But if we get a real flush, there will be a trading opportunity. Right now, it's a day trader's market. The big money is not really here, unless you came in short several weeks or months ago. I'm looking at some of these stocks like Peloton, down 93%. Zoom down 84%. This Vroom, remember this Vroom? Puru Saxena was pumping this thing back in the 50s. This thing is down, even with today's gap up, it's down like 97%. Yesterday it was down like 99%. Oh my god. What a disaster. Yeah, even stuff like Netflix, down 75%. PayPal. These are like mega cap names, down 74%, yeah. Brutal. If you just look at the SPYs, you're like, wait, SPYs are down 15%? That's nothing. But under the hood, some sectors, man. All the high multiple names, boom. Man, I really wanted to trade in this UPST, but I was too slow on halt. Who are all the bag holders? People who don't use stops. And oh guys, if you're bag holding some of these things, most of them will never come back. Most of these names will never ever come back. And those who do, it could take 10, 15 years. Study the stuff that went up a lot back in 99 or like in the late 90s. I mean, even something like Microsoft took like 15 years for this thing to come back to the previous peak. 16 years. Cisco is still not back near past highs. If I'm long or short Tesla, you can see it from my stop. If you look now, you will see. Am I long or am I short? Robin Hooders gave back all their money. It's just another cycle repeating itself. Nothing new. We all knew it was gonna happen, we just didn't know when. This is why you need rules. This is what rules are for. Otherwise, you just be a victim. But I'm seeing some opportunity. I think we're gonna have a lot of opportunities soon. I think we're nearing. Hopefully, we may have a few months of shock, but I'm really hoping for some more sell-off so we can get a tradable bounce, just like we had from like early March to early April or so, or late March. That 3-week period with easy money, but it only lasted for 3 weeks, unfortunately. From mid-March to late March. In these bear market rallies, they can be really violent. Just need to time them. I was too cautious. I was a little bit too late on it, but okay. Biotech's back down to 2014 levels. IBB. Yeah, 2014 levels. Not bad. My take on the crypto market. If you are long any shitcoins, they're all gonna go to zero. Bitcoin, I don't know. Ethereum, I don't know. Yeah, MSTR. I had this on my watch list. This thing is like, aren't they like, how much Bitcoin do they have on their balance sheet? They have like a lot of it. Like, how much does Bitcoin have to go down for these guys to get completely liquidated? It doesn't have to go that much more, right? Margin call at 21k. And where is Bitcoin now? 21,500. And Bitcoin right now is 20, no wait, where is it? 31? So another what, 30% haircut? If you look at the monthly on Bitcoin, Like the 50 monthly has been a support level for this thing for, I don't know, 10 years, right? I mean, the 50 monthly is at 21k. So that would be a reasonable, you know, target support area for Bitcoin if this bear market goes on. Let's look at the logarithmic chart. Yeah, the 50 monthly. Do I think we are in a recession? Are you kidding me? What's the definition of a recession? No, we're not in a recession, but we could be soon. But right now, what's the definition? Is it like 2 quarters of negative GDP growth or something like that? Isn't that the definition of a recession? No, we're not in a recession right now. Exactly, I don't trade recessions. So no, we are not in a recession. But could we be soon? Sure, I don't know. 2108. Yeah, I mean, we are getting at very interesting levels. If you look at some of these breadth indicators, sentiment indicators, like I think we are gonna have a I think we're gonna have a very we're gonna have a big bull run that could last for several months. It could still be like inside of an overall bear market, like a bear market rally. I don't care. I just called the bull run. I think we may be getting close. And ideal scenario if we get a real washout, like really get some real panic in the markets. Like get this UVXY up to 30 or something. 40, I don't know. But yeah, guys, this is what creates opportunity. Let everyone else panic. We're sitting here, we're waiting for that fat fucking pitch. And when we get that bear market rally that lasts for a month or 2 months, you know, you're gonna 50%, 100% your account in no time. You get your entries and you just sit and wait. You don't even have to do anything. I'm getting excited. You know, some of these names, you know, even if they eventually gonna go to 0, they're gonna have some insane bounces. Like, I'm not gonna trade stuff like Peloton or these things. They're too thin for me. But I am looking at TQQ and I don't know, maybe Labu. It's too low priced. FNGU maybe, I don't know. These leveraged ETFs and some of the large mega cap stocks like Airbnb and stuff. Liquid mega cap stocks. Oh, never mind. Airbnb is not a mega cap anymore. They're a dying breed. They are a dying... Well, Room didn't last for long. I saw the huge volume come in. Like this thing traded half the average or a third of the average daily volume in the first minute. I was thinking maybe it can bounce back to $5 or something, but nope. Not yet. There are no regular setups. There are no flags. This would be a bounce. This will be a bounce reversal trade. There are literally no setups out there. Literally 0. No sectors are setting up. Even commodities are all down, in downtrends now. So the trade I will be looking for is a reversal trade of some kind, or like a you know, reverse parabolic, or maybe an EP off the lows. Like, you know, once you know we get a rally, bear market rally, like some of these stocks, they're gonna do what Room did. They're gonna be down, 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 and they're gonna gap up, have high volume, and then just gonna keep going and double or triple even. Especially some of these really lower, you know, lower priced ones. Well, we already knew Cathie was a one-trick pony. She's been in the money management business for what? How long? She's never beaten the market. Then he caught this one trend where all these unprofitable high multiple names just went straight up and everyone called her a genius. Even though she had never during her career beaten the market before. It's not that her risk management sucks, her stock picking sucks. Alright, I don't really see any value here. Thanks for joining and see you tomorrow.